Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, November 21, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, November 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong November 21, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, November 21, 2024. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for November 21, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, November 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.